Today, we're checking out the Motorola Edge 60. Let's jump right into it. The Motorola Edge 60 features a stunning 6.67-inch OLED display with HDR10 Plus support. The curved edges give it a sleek, premium look, and the phone feels light and comfortable in hand. Powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 7400 chipset, it's fast and smooth for gaming and multitasking. The 50-megapixel camera takes fantastic photos, even in low light, and you can shoot 4K videos. Plus, Motorola's exclusive features like Moto Actions add a nice touch. Battery life is solid with a 5,500 milliamp hour battery, and you get 68-watt fast charging, up to 50% in just 15 minutes. Perfect for those busy days. So, the Motorola Edge 60 delivers premium features, powerful performance, and great cameras in a sleek package. Is it worth it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.